Welcome to our mathematics class. Our today's topic is area of rhombus. In this video, we solve the example 3 and 4 from practice set 15.2. I have given link below in the description box. In that video, I discussed about the formula of a rhombus and example 1 and 2 from practice set 15.2. Watch the video carefully and up to end. Third example. If the perimeter of a rhombus is 100 cm, the length of one of the diagonal is a 48 cm, what is the area of quadrilateral? For area, we need length of two diagonals. But here only one diagonal is given and perimeter is given. First, we find out the side of the rhombus. So, write down solution. Perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 4 into side. All sides are congruent, therefore 4 into side. Now substitute the value. Therefore 100 is equal to 4 into side. Therefore 100 upon 4 is equal to side. 4 1 the 4, 25 4 the 100. Therefore side is equal to 25 centimeter. To calculate the second diagonal, here we first draw the figure. Name it ABCD. Here we draw the diagonal AC and BD. Intersect at point P and diagonals of a rhombus are a perpendicular bisector of each other. Means here 4 right angle triangles are formed. Side AD is equal to 25. In figure, AD is equal to 25 centimeter. Diagonal AC we taken as 48 centimeter. Here we find out the diagonal BD. So diagonal BD we find out first. AP is equal to half of AC. That is 48 upon 2. That is 24 centimeter. Diagonals are perpendicular bisector. Segment AC perpendicular to segment BD. In triangle APD, this triangle APD, angle APD is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AP square plus DP square. Now substitute the values. Therefore, 25 square is equal to 24 square plus DP square. 25 square 625 is equal to 576 plus DP square. Now this 576 we bring on the left hand side. Therefore, 625 minus 576 is equal to dp square. We subtract, we get 49 is equal to dp square. Therefore, dp is equal to 7 centimeter taking square root. dp is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, bd is equal to, bd is double of dp or dp is half of bd. Therefore, B is equal to 2 into 7, that is 24 centimeter. Area of rhombus 1 upon 2 into product of lengths of diagonals. Now substitute the value. Area of rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into AC into BD. AC 48 As it is, we write down the left hand side is equal to 1 upon 2 into 48 into 14. 2 ones and 2 sevens. Now we multiplied 48 by 7. So we get the answer 7 8s are 56. We write 6 and carry 5. 7 4s are 28 plus 5, that is 33. Area of rhombus is equal to 336 square centimeter. So complete this example in your notebook. Fourth example. If the length of the diagonal of a rhombus is 30 centimeter and its area is 240 square centimeter, find its perimeter. So here first find out the diagonals, one of the diagonal, then find out the side, then perimeter. Solution. Here we first draw the rhombus, draw the diagonals, intersect at point P. The diagonals are perpendicular bisector. So in figure, AC is equal to 30 and area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 240 square centimeter. This is given. So write down the formula. Area of rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into product of lengths of diagonals. Now substitute the values. Therefore, 240 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 30 into BD. 2 ones are 2, 15, 2 are 30. Therefore, 240 is equal to 15 into BD. Now this 15 we bring on left hand side. 240 upon 15 is equal to BD. 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15, remains 9, we bring 0, becomes 90. 15 6 are, therefore the answer quotient is 16. Therefore BD is equal to 16 centimeter. Here BD is equal to 16. Here we now find out the side of the quadrilateral. So we first find out half of the BD, that is DP. Therefore DP is equal to BD upon 2. 16 upon 2 is equal to 8 centimeter. And AP is equal to AC upon 2. 30 upon 2 is equal to 15 centimeter. Now in triangle APD, angle APD is equal to 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AP square plus DP square. Here first we find out the side of the rhombus. Now substitute the values. AD square is equal to 15 square plus 8 square. Therefore AD square is equal to 225 plus 64 is equal to 289. Therefore AD is equal to 17 centimeter. Now find out the perimeter. Perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 4 into side. Here side is a AD, one of the side of rhombus. All sides are congruent. If AD is 17, remaining all 4 sides are also 17. Now substitute the value. Perimeter of a rhombus, we write as it is equal to 4 into 17, 4 into AD. Left hand side we write down as it is equal to 4 into 17. Perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 68 centimeter. Here we complete the problem practice set 15.2. Thank you.